I am so excited to share with you one of the most delicious beauty drinks I've ever made. It is my Pink Beauty Milk. It is so special, and I've crept into my kitchen this morning so I can show you how to make it while everybody's still asleep. So here are the ingredients that you need. It's pretty simple. We've got almonds, got some soaking here, going to show you that in a second. We've got the dragon fruit, which you can get either the frozen packet, Pitaya Plus, or you can just cut up and freeze your own dragon fruit or pitaya, which is what I did there. You're going to need, and these are optional, but it's what turns it into a beauty milk, is Florasil, which is a natural precursor to creating collagen in your skin, and Lucuma powder, which is a delicious maple syrupy citrusy taste superfood. So step number 1, take 1/4 cup of raw almonds and soak them overnight. Step number 2, you want to rinse them really well. Next step, pop them in high-speed blender with 2 cups of filtered water. Blend on high for about a minute. Now I use a nut milk bag. You can use cheesecloth to strain, I should say. Ooh. My almond milk. Okay, so I've rinsed out my blender, and now I'm just going to simply add my beautiful fresh homemade almond milk back to the blender. Now I'm going to add my dragon fruit, my beautiful pink dragon fruit. Now what you can do if you want to is you can strain it, so you can thaw it out, either the packet that you can buy from the store, your fresh fruit, thaw it out, and you can put it through the strainer, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. It will stain whatever you put it through, so be really careful. So that's if you don't want the seeds, but I recommend using the seeds because the seeds are so full of fiber, and this way you're going to use the whole fruit, so you get all the health benefits too. So I'm popping in about 1/4 cup here of my frozen dragon fruit. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add about 1 teaspoon of the Lucuma powder. So we'll pop that in like that. That will make it really, really delicious, and that is a superfood too. And then finally, this is what really makes it a beauty drink. I'm adding in this natural vegetable plant-based silica. And this is for natural beauty, and this will help your skin, hair, and nails. It's a sort of precursor. It helps your skin to produce collagen. So I'm putting in 2 capsules into my Pink Beauty drink, like so. And this is the fun part now, because we are blending, and it's going to turn this beautiful color. So now I'm going to pour it into, so you can see it there, this oh my gosh. Happiness starts here with this beautiful pink Beauty milk. Okay, so that was pretty easy, right? So I've got my big old jar here that I'm going to drink quite a lot of it. You can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days, but you will have to give it a good shake because it will separate, or stir it with a straw. I've got my nice glass straw right here, and I am going to maybe get back into bed and drink my Pink Beauty milk. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out some of my other recipes and my other how-to videos and let me know what you think.